Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zulu. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So Mzansi people were shocked and thought that Big Zulu had gotten married to a man, you guys, after a guy who looks exactly like him tied up the knot and married his male lover. People thought that Big Zulu had gotten out of the closet and has chosen his true self after seeing those pictures of a guy who is a spitting image of the Zulu singer. Well, I can assure you guys that's not a Big Zulu, because the guy comes from the USA in Atlanta, and those pictures, I must admit, had me shook for a second, and people are still shocked as to the spitting resemblance that guy has of Obik Zulu, you guys. Now please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall truly see you on my next upload. Bye.